Hello everyone, good morning. Once again, my name is Ongodia Emmanuel, and I want to take this opportunity to thank all those who have subscribed to my YouTube channel. And in case you have not yet subscribed, I encourage you to please subscribe. The previous video, we looked at introduction to computer, and I recommend you to, if you have not watched it, to please go and watch it so you can understand the basic computer skills and literacy. Meanwhile, for today's video, we are basically going to be looking at this computer software. And under the computer software, the following are the objectives of this video. We are going to look at the definition of what a computer software is. We'll look at briefly the available types of computer software. And under the available types of computer software, my interest is basically on application software. And then under the application software, I am more interested in the Microsoft Office application software. In that, there are also many other types of many other examples of Microsoft Office suite, but my point of interest today is on Microsoft Office Word, how to open a Microsoft Office Word document, and then how the different functions work. And then we shall, at the end of the day, look at how to save our Word document, and then finally to retrieve it. So please be tuned and as we begin. So what is a computer software? A computer software, in a simple terms, is a set of instructions or data or programs that are used for operating the computer and performing specific tasks. So under the different types of a computer software system, we basically have 4 of them. The first one is the system software. The system software, this is a software, or this is a set of instructions that control and manage the computer. Examples of it is operating systems. This is where it comes. The operating system controls and manages the computer. The other is the application software, where today I am more interested in it. The application software is basically a set of programs that help the end users to perform specific tasks. And under these, I want to take us through examples of it. Examples of application software. We have like Microsoft, we have like the browsers. The Microsoft Office contains Microsoft Office Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel or spreadsheet. You have Access, or call it database. You have Publisher and many others that exist. But in this video, we want to specifically look at what we call the Microsoft Office Word. So Microsoft Office Word is part of the Microsoft Office suite that basically deals with creating documents, creating texts, editing, formatting, and printing them. It's the one that is basically used for doing this bulky typing. You want to type notes, you use Microsoft Office Word. You want to type your report, your research report, you use Microsoft Office Word for typing. So many other times we can't run away from Microsoft Office Word because documents are all everywhere. So it's this one that helps us to create documents, to edit documents, to print documents. It is this one. So it includes things like also letters. It's also part of Microsoft Office Word. So today, this video particularly teaches us on how to open a Microsoft Office Word document. There are like quite a few known ways of opening a Microsoft Office Word document. I will today share with you 3 of them. The previous video I had told you about the taskbar and the window button that is at the taskbar. So the first way of opening a Microsoft Office Word document is you come to the start button here or the window button here, and then you click on it, and then you can look for this one is already pinned here, so you can click on this and then you're able to, it brings for you this, you select a blank document, and yes, here we already have our Microsoft Office Word document. This is how the Word document looks like without anything typed on it. So now when it is active like that, you're able to type either your letters, you're able to type your report, and then I'll come back to look at the different things located here. But the other way of getting or opening a Microsoft Office Word document is there is this window button on your left side. On your left side of the keyboard, you can click on that button, you hold that window button, and then you press R. So it brings for you, you see these functions here, it says type the name of a program, folder, document, or internet resource, and Windows will open it for you. So here I'm going to type, I want Microsoft Office Word document. So I will type Win Word. Then I either click OK or hit enter. So I'm going to click OK. So this straight away the computer brings for you these other alternatives. Our interest is on the blank document. So you click blank document, and then straight away you also have Microsoft Office Word document opened here for you. The last one that I'm going to talk to you about today is the third way of opening a Microsoft Office Word document. So I talked to you about the desktop. This is the desktop. So you go to an empty or a free space in the desktop. It can be here, it can be here, and then you right click on it. Remember, right clicking brings for you a menu. It brings for you alternatives. So when you have right clicked on it, you come to new. New, you're seeing it here. It gives you the drop down menu again. There is a shortcut, Microsoft Access, database, the bitmap, but our interest is on Microsoft Word document. Then you click on this document. It brings for you the file on the desktop, and you can straight away give your file a name, like let's say Emmanuel. But yes, so now this document is already in the desktop, but it is not yet open. So for you to open, you either double click on it, or you right click, and then it gives you options. Do you want to open the document? Then you say yes. It opens the what? The document. The other way of opening it is you click on it, then you can just come to your keyboard and then you double hit enter. So it opens for you the Word document. So once again, there are three ways of opening it. You can go direct to your desktop, and then you right click on an empty space. It gives you options. You go to new, it gives you the drop down menu, and then you select the Word document. It will open for you the file, and then after you follow by either double clicking on it or right clicking on the file, and then you click open, or you hit enter twice, and then it will open for you the document. The other first two, I think you still remember. If I may recap it, the window button, and then you hold the window button, then you press R, it brings for you that. So you type Win Word, You hit enter, and then it brings for you this. You click on it, it opens. And then the other one is you just go direct to the start button. From the start button, it gives for you different things here. There's Word here, there's Excel, there's PowerPoint, Microsoft Office store, but you click here. So those are the different ways of opening a Microsoft Office Word document. Now, briefly, I want to take us through a few functions or a few elements in Microsoft Office Word. So there is what we call the menu bar. The menu bar is the strip that appears on top of the Microsoft Office Word workspace. So I mean this space here. This is what we call the menu bar. So the menu bar, it has quite a few functions, and there is a home here. Home, you have the font type, the font size. You have the paragraphs. The many things here, the titles, but also there is insert option. Insert option brings for you these. What do you want? The tables, the pictures, whatever. Many of the things you come to. This is basically for editing. There is a drawing. What do you want to do? You want to draw a table? You want to draw whatever you want to draw. There is also design, page layout, the references. But today we will not go deep into it. One other thing that is important is this file option. Later on, I will talk to you about the file. So now here is your Microsoft Office Word that is open. You can type anything that possibly you want, and let's say that is our work we wanted. Now, when this work is here, you have not saved it. It's the first time you're going to save this Word. You're done with your editing. You're done with everything you wanted. With everything you wanted. Okay, let me left align it. Under home, maybe let me give you this font size. So yes, now I want to save this document. How do I save this document? We are going to begin from saving the document the first time. So you come to the menu bar, you go to the file, it brings for you alternatives. You go down, there is save here, but this save is when maybe you've already saved the document before. But if you're saving for the very first time, you come to save as, and then you click save as. And now here, it brings, where do you want to save your document? As for me, I want to save my document in the desktop. I select the what? I select the desktop. So what is going to be the name of my file? Let's say Omodia is going to be my file. And then okay, just a moment. Where do I want that? Do I just want to throw it in the desktop? I can either put it in the file or just put it in the desktop, but I would prefer to put it in a new folder. And this, I need a new folder. I just tap here or I click there. It brings that folder. Then I name my folder is my documents. My documents. Yes. So then I double click on it. Then it opens. Then my file name, I told you we shall put here as Omodia. And then the other thing, it is important for you to save your document so that it can be opened from any computer, no matter which kind of Windows is being installed. And the preferred one, you save it as a Word 97 to 2003 document. With this, it is able to open from wherever. So when you're done with this, you can just click save. So now your work is saved. So after you close your document, you can now be you can now be in position to retrieve your document. And as you can see, we saved it in the desktop, so we can get it here. Under my documents, you double click the folder, and then the work is here. So once again, I want to thank you so much for listening and watching to this video. I hope you've really learned a few things. In case of any queries, please write on my comment section, and I will respond to it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be blessed.